everybody, this is Bui from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making butter coconut cookies. Guys, these cookies, they are the best, crispy and chewy. The taste explodes the day after they are made. Trust me guys, they are so addictive. You can't just eat one. So guys, let's get started. You know, Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Here in my bowl, I have about 1 pound of room temperature salted butter, not unsalted guys, salted butter. Into the butter, we're gonna add sugar, beat well until well combined. The mixture looks good guys, everything looks well blended. We're gonna go ahead and add 2 eggs and vanilla extract. Then we're gonna mix well. This should take about 2 minutes. Now we're gonna stop the mixer, then scrape the sides of the bowl. Add flour and baking soda. Beat well on low speed for 2 minutes. Always remember this guys, when you are adding dry ingredients like flour to wet ingredients, always guys set your mixer on low before increasing your speed. This will help to keep your dry ingredients from flying out of the bowl. Next, fold in flaked coconut with a spatula. Okay, this looks good guys. Next, using an ice cream scoop, drop cookie dough onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper and bake in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for 15 minutes or until lightly browned. I just pulled the cookies out of the oven guys. Allow them to cool for 10 minutes on a baking sheet before you transfer them onto a cooling rack. These butter coconut cookies guys, they are so buttery and rich. They are really crisp but still melt in your mouth. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my heart.